Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English. Today is day 3 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, we will learn 100 more daily used English sentences to help you speak English confidently. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. How is your family? My family is fine. Say hello to your family. How was your weekend? It was great. It was relaxing. I enjoyed it. I had fun. What are you planning today? I have many plans. I am free today. I am not free today. I am very busy. I will call you later. Please call me. Let me know. Tell me more. That's a good idea. That's not a good idea. Let's think about it. I am getting bored. I am feeling better. I am feeling sick. I feel great today. I feel tired today. I feel sleepy. I feel stressed. Take a deep breath. Calm down. Relax a little. Take your time. Don't rush. Everything will be fine. Trust the process. Stay calm. Don't panic. Think positive. Be confident. Be strong. Believe in yourself. What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. I am searching for something. Did you find it? Yes, I found it. No, I didn't find it. Try again. Please check again. That's correct. That's wrong. That's true. That's not true. That makes sense. That's strange. That's funny. That's surprising. I didn't expect that. I knew it. I was right. You were right. Let's go outside. Let's go home. Let's eat something. Let's drink tea. I like tea. I prefer coffee. I need breakfast. I need lunch. I need dinner. I am cooking food. The food is delicious. The food is tasty. The food is spicy. The food is cold. The food is hot. I am full. I want more. That was perfect. That was amazing. I enjoyed the meal. Keep learning English. Don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes help us learn. Practice speaking daily. Speak with confidence. Listen carefully. Learn new words. Use simple sentences. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Practice with friends. Watch English videos. Read English books. Write every day. Improve step by step. You are doing well. Keep improving. Stay motivated. Never stop learning. See you tomorrow for day 4, 100 more daily English sentences. If you want to improve your English speaking, listen to these sentences again and repeat them loudly. Practice these 100 sentences every day, and slowly your English will become natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, Daily English, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with Day 4, 100 more daily English sentences.